Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your baby girl Chris Faith Olawumi. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Yes, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, what are you still waiting for? Thumbs up, press the notification bell, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I love you guys and stay blessed. Please, I've part the hair into two. I'll be making use of the edge control. I'll be making use of the gel. I'll be making use of brush. I'll be making use of my threads, and I'll be making use of so let's go straight to the tutorial. As you can see, this is my natural hair. The first thing is my jaw.
I want to talk to somebody who's confused because you know you got something, but you don't know what you got, and you don't know how to use it, and you don't understand why you got what you got. But God has already given you something for where he's about to take you into. Somebody shout, I am gifted. These men brought a king's gift to a kid. They brought a king's gift to a kid, and God is famous for bringing gifts ahead of time, for anointing kids to be kings years before they become kings, for making coats of many colors for princes before they ever become or even enter into Egypt. God has given you something that doesn't fit where you are. And don't let anybody make you forfeit what he gave you because it doesn't fit where you are. Hold on to what he gave you. The gift is for an appointed time. In the end, it will speak and not lie. Though the vision tarry, wait for it. Wait for it. It's gonna make sense in a minute. It doesn't have to make sense in the moment. It's gonna make sense in a minute. You don't understand why you are where you are, what's going on in your life right now. It doesn't have to make sense right now. It doesn't have to fit into the decor of the house. It doesn't make sense for the situation. But soon God is going to show you why you had to go through everything you had to go through. If you think I might be talking to you, give God a praise right now. If you think I'm speaking to you, come on. If you think I'm speaking to you, if you think God is talking to you, if you think God is saying something to you, open your mouth and give him a praise. Yeah. Yes, Lord. 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 Look at somebody and holler, I got something. Type it out on your computer, I got something. Text it on your phone, I got something. I know I got something. I don't understand it, but I got it. It doesn't make sense, but I got it. It doesn't fit into my atmosphere, but I got it. I have been gifted. Let all the gifted people give a sign. All the gifted people give a shout. All the gifted people give a text. All the gifted people give a tweet. All the gifted people make a noise. If you know you're gifted, make some noise. I may be broken, but I'm gifted. I may be bruised, but I'm gifted. I may be hewed out the rock, but I'm gifted. I might be worried, but I'm gifted. I might be in turmoil, but I'm gifted. I might be confused, but I am gifted.